American football. Probably the most American thing there is. Or, at least according to the internet. And the internet never lies, of course. So it must be true, right? And the biggest game of the year is the Super Bowl. But as you might have guessed, I'm not American. So the World Super Bowl doesn't mean this to me. It means a big darn bowl. So today I'm going to try and combine these two. The trophy of the Super Bowl and a bowl. To make a kind of a dispenser for, I don't know, cereal or something. And then eat that cereal while watching my first ever American football game. How does that sound? So I started by making a new CAD document in onshape. And I should probably say that I'm not an artist, so this will inevitably turn out really bad. And I of course forgot to record the process of making this. But, hear me out. I have some footage when I was in the middle of the process. And as you see here, I have finished the upper part of the trophy, the football. And isn't it weird that you call it a football when you mostly throw it? I kinda find it weird. Anyways, I then finished the main body part of the trophy. And I will make two of these parts and make like a triangular sized thing. And you will see later. And I then placed it into my printer and started that up. It will take 5 hours, so I will check back later. 5 hours later. And after a bunch of waiting, here I am again. The prints turned out pretty good, except for this little bend in the football part, as you see there. But yeah, otherwise, I'm pretty happy with the results. And it kinda looks like an American football, if you really wants it to. But hey, I'm happy with the results. So let's move on to the base. I will put the parts together like this, as you might see, on all the sides, and then the ball can rest on top of that. That's my plan at least. I also got a bit of waste material, which, yeah, it's not good, but it wasn't really that much. I then found a piece of wood, which I will use to give some stability to the base, like this. I cut it into smaller parts, as you see here, and attached them to each one of the base with a few screws. And now they can at least stand upright, which is really good, because I really need that stability. I will attach all of the parts together with hot glue later.
2 hours later.
So I took out my hot glue gun and started to connect the parts together. And it was kind of annoying to record and work at the same time, so I had to take it off screen, because it was getting annoying, really annoying. So after connecting everything together, I took out my trusty old cardboard to make kind of a ramp inside of the base, to make things able to slide down. And after that I only have to connect the last side, and the base is done. Good. I then found a bit of sandpaper, which is completely normal to have in a house, and I tried to sand the base with only one hand, but that was really hard, so I had to stop recording. So I sanded it and painted it off screen, and got this, which is truly looking really bad. But I have to see it if it works, so I got my bowl and placed it up there, and filled up the container. And as you see, it kinda works. I just want to take this time to apologize to all the Americans out there. I am truly sorry. But if you enjoyed any part of this video, consider subscribing. I know it's looking bad, but it will get better.